Hello everybody, this is Engineer Isaiah YouTube. Today is Sunday, day 2021 in the springtime. I just want to say that today is a beautiful day. Actually, it's kind of late right now because it's a little bit late right now because and I just want to say I really am excited today because I received this package in the mail from eBay. It appears that what I ordered from eBay is wrapped up in a Walmart box. It is a battery-operated train set. A train set by a company called Toy State, and it's a very classic old battery-operated train set that I bought on eBay. The train set, which is inside this package here, is actually really brand new, never ever been opened, and it's in pretty good condition, and it's properly sealed in the box. I think it's a 1990s train set. Turns out the train set that's in that Walmart box from eBay is the Diesel Express battery operated train set. I was expecting the package to be a lot bigger, so it might not be a G gauge train set. In the meantime, I'm gonna unbox it. Ooh, it's coming out. Oh, that's what the back of the box looks like. Oh, sorry about that. That is actually extremely awesome, guys. Look at the back of the box. There's the train, and there are some instructions on it. And this train set actually looks pretty awesome, guys. Oh, wow! That is awesome! Awesome. That is incredible. Here it is, guys. The brand new Diesel Express battery-operated train set by Toy State. It features a motorized battery-operated diesel locomotive, a boxcar, a hopper car, and a tank car. This is a train set that I've been wanting to get for a long time, and it looks like it finally arrived in the mail. I just know it's gonna look nice with all my other trains when I display it on the table with all the other brand new train sets I have. So this is what the front of it looks like. This is what the back of it looks like. I sure can't wait to get it on the table with all my other trains. $19.99. Well, guys, you're probably not gonna believe this, but this is actually a 1990s battery-operated toy train set. Opened. This basically means as long as I keep this one in the box as a collector's item forever, it will never lose its value. Sorry that I kept y'all guys waiting so long. Here it is, my brand new Diesel Express battery-operated train set. It is now being displayed with my other trains. So, this table here is where I keep my collection of brand new trains. So now, and this has just arrived today. The Diesel Express battery-operated train set, which I've shown you so far, along with my Overland Limited HO electric train set, which is the original classic version. My Hornby Santa Express this electric model train set. My Polar Express train puzzle is on that side. and my train poster, which got a little bit bent up. And of course, on the other side of the table, is my battery-operated Santa Fe Super Cheap train set by Lionel, followed by the Lionel Santa Fe Warhorse Hudson Freight train set. And then right next, this is actually my all-time favorite train set in my collection. The Lionel Santa Fe Warhorse Hudson Freight train set. Even though my new one just arrived today. And then there's the classic train set by Fun Little Toys. And then right next to it is an old-fashioned and classic Thomas and Friends Trackmaster 2007 toy. It's Thomas with Annie and Clarabelle. And right behind Thomas is my mechanical 3D puzzle locomotive R27. That's just about everything I have on this table. So yeah, even though my Diesel Express train set just arrived today, this is my all-time favorite train set in my collection. The Lionel Santa Fe Warhorse Hudson Freight train set. All of these trains which are on this table are brand new. There are also trains I'm going to be keeping in their boxes forever. And because my new package just arrived today, I now have 6 train sets. 6 train sets and a couple of accessories. Pretty soon, in a couple of years or two, there's gonna be a big table with a whole lot of brand new trains that I'll be keeping in their boxes forever. In the meantime, I just want to say it's been a lot of fun opening my new Toy State, a Diesel Express battery-operated train set, and I am literally telling you all guys that this one is that one that I'm pointing to right now is actually the only one left in stock in the whole world. And as long as I have it, it will never lose its value. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing review, and I hope one day in the future, maybe y'all guys will get a train set from me by the mom. He said that is brand new and that y'all guys might do a review on. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a great day. Oh, and remember guys, God made you special and He loves you very much. Bye.